Today in crypto. Traders can now bet on Bitcoin $300,000 as options keep pace with rising price. It supersedes the $200,000 option on Deribit as the maximum one can wager. The likelihood of such a scenario is tenuous but not impossible. Famous for its volatility, Bitcoin's price constantly waffles both north and south. While it recovered quickly from its pandemic-induced drop in March 2020, going on to break record highs, that doesn't mean the asset is bulletproof against a similar event in the future. The director of business development for smart chain platform Komodo, Jason Brown, recently weighed in on what could possibly cause another COVID-19 style price decline for Bitcoin, BTC. "I think such a scenario is unlikely given the current uptrend in institutional adoption," Brown told Cointelegraph. On the other hand, "We couldn't have predicted that COVID would have caused such an abrupt crash and short-term bear market followed by the subsequent bull run that started in the summer of 2020. March 2020 saw Bitcoin plummet 50% inside 48 hours alongside similar slides in other traditional markets. Since then, a number of mainstream giants, such as MicroStrategy and MassMutual, have unveiled massive US dollar allocations to Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, in particular, under its CEO Michael Saylor, has become a big proponent of Bitcoin. In part as an act against inflation. "Institutions clearly have a long-term hodl mindset and aren't speculating," Brown said. "Plans can change, however, when people or companies need to spend capital to stay afloat. The potential challenge is what happens if the institutions themselves go under, even if it's related to factors outside of the current crypto market," Brown explained. Given Bitcoin's recent advancement past $41,000, buying now means buying into all-time high prices. Big players loading up on crypto are doing so at higher than average price levels, Brown explained. "This means we could see a scenario in which an institution is in a financial crunch if crypto prices are declining or stagnant, and thus they decide to sell below market averages," Brown said, adding, "Bitcoin's 2018 bear market saw prices fall from $17,000 down to below $4,000. In fact, CEO Michael Sonnenshein says they're fueling Grayscale's massive growth." Grayscale's newly appointed CEO, Michael Sonnenshein, told Bloomberg Thursday that pension funds and endowments are investing actively into the Grayscale family of funds. He explained, "Grayscale has been at the center of the Bitcoin, BTC, buying spree and now holds roughly 3% of the BTC in circulation." The fund manager continues to accumulate large positions in the digital asset as more institutional investors seek exposure to Bitcoin. Its total assets under management, or AUM, have eclipsed $27 billion across 10 different products. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust remains by far its most popular product, with over $23 billion in AUM. Grayscale's Ethereum Trust is currently valued at around $3.6 billion, while its digital large-cap fund holds nearly $339 million. January 7, 2021 update: net assets under management, holdings per share, and market price per share for our investment products. Total AUM, $27.4 billion, $BCH, $E.T.H. $etc. $N, $LTC, $XLM, $XRP, $ECPIC. Twitter.com/Z3Q1ESXJEG. Pension funds are following a horde of institutional buyers that began entering the Bitcoin market in 2020. A survey conducted by Fidelity Investments last year found that 36% of financial institutions across the United States and Europe said they own cryptocurrencies or derivatives. Over 1/4 of the respondents reported holding Bitcoin, while 11% said they own Ether, ETH. The institutional influx into cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is intensifying, according to Grayscale Investments, with pension funds and endowments among the most recent entrants into the space. Grayscale's aggressive BTC buying is likely contributing to the digital currency's rapid price appreciation. With more Bitcoin taken out of circulation, the already scarce asset is becoming even more difficult to come by, Sonnenshein explained. EOS was trading at $2.9545 by 21:02 GMT on the investing.com index on Friday, down 17% on the day. It was the largest one-day percentage loss since December 23, 2020. The move downwards pushed EOS's market cap down to $2,8149b, or 0.27% of the total cryptocurrency market cap. At its highest, EOS's market cap was $17,5290b. EOS had traded in a range of $2,9014 to $3,2493 in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, EOS has seen a rise in value, as it gained 14.1%. The volume of EOS traded in the 24 hours to time of writing was $5,2295b, or 2.99% of the total volume of all cryptocurrencies. It has traded in a range of $2,5646 to $3,4501 in the past 7 days. At its current price, EOS is still down 87.14% from its all-time high of $22.98 set on April 29, 2018. Elsewhere in cryptocurrency trading, Bitcoin was last at $38,850.90 on the investing.com index, down 0.73% on the day. Ethereum was trading at $1,139.99 on the investing.com index, a loss of 9.12%. Bitcoin's market cap was last at $732,5505b, or 75% of the total cryptocurrency market cap, while Ethereum's market cap totaled $132,3893b, or 79% of the total cryptocurrency market value. During the market downturn in March 2020, Bitcoin (BTC) fell over 50% in value across a 2-day period. Traditional financial markets also dropped vastly in March. Although Bitcoin posted a standout recovery, going on to smash all-time price highs, one might wonder what, if any, condition could instigate a similar future drop for crypto's largest asset. Dermot O'Riordan, partner at venture capital outfit Eden Block, recently gave his thoughts on the matter. In the short term, Bitcoin's value prop as a non-sovereign censorship-resistant hedge to the dollar is growing stronger by the day, O'Riordan told Cointelegraph, saying that Bitcoin's volatility isn't going away anytime soon, and I expect to see a lot of volatility for years to come from those in the money taking money from the table, he said, adding continued reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.